Flat tire in the driveway? Dead battery at work? Tire puncture from a really sharp piece of celery someone dropped in the grocery store parking lot? These aren't just incidents that turn a good day bad. They're real-life issues your customers have dealt with more often than you may think. Your customer could get their vehicle towed to your shop, but what a pain for the customer. That's why, if your tire or repair shop isn't mobile yet, it might be time to start thinking about investing in it. In this video, let's talk about how mobile tire service options open up a new stream of revenue and separates your business from competitors. From choosing the right truck, outfitting it with equipment, and figuring out how to handle calls and staff to help, there's a lot to consider when it comes to mobile tire service. But if it's done right, it creates a customer service experience your customers will remember and rely on. Some shops may choose to partner with a roadside service provider that offers dispatch support and a network of technicians. These services often come with fully stocked trucks, trained technicians, and even diagnostics capabilities. However, other shops may choose to launch their own mobile units. Just keep in mind, that means building from scratch, creating a personalized experience for your customers, and tailoring the service to exactly what they need. If you decide to do everything yourself, start thinking about what your mobile service truck or trucks should offer. A well-equipped mobile unit can carry air compressors, welders, diagnostic laptops, generators, jacks, or even small inventory of parts. Think of it as a rolling repair bay that brings the shop to the customer. Want an extra customer service touch? Offer cold drinks in the summer and make sure your techs show up clean and act professionally. Those touches may seem small, but they can create a lot of loyalty and trust from the customer. In the end, it's all about solving problems fast, safely, and where your customer needs you most. Whether it's a tire change in a parking lot or a puncture repair at home, mobile service is a smart way to grow your business and get a leg up over the competition down the road. For more tire and service videos, don't forget to follow our Instagram, Facebook, and subscribe to our YouTube channel. I'm Christian Hinton, coming to you from the Tire Review Continental Tire Garage Studio at Babcock's Media. See you next time.